everyone, welcome to Rescue Animals DN Center. One of the center we try to rescue, save and take care of the animals. Honestly, we really need more motivation from the community to continue our path of rescue animals and take care of them. Each comment or share of yours will encourage us a lot. And today's video is about a cat stuck inside the bottle.
And today at 3 p.m. we got a call and a video from the owner of the cat said that her cat is stuck inside the bottle because last time she used that bottle to contain fish, and that's why the cat is stuck inside and she needs the help. And her cat named Bella. After receiving the call, we moved directly to her house to help Bella. Bella now is in the kitchen with her head inside the bottle. Firstly, we cut the bottom of the bottle so Bella can breathe the air to make sure that she is still alive. And then we try pulling Bella's head out of the bottle. But it seemed to be impossible. Next, we have an idea that we use cooking oil to apply around Bella's head and neck because it was slippery. It might be easier. But as you see, Bella's head still inside the bottle. It's true that anything can happen. I don't know how Bella get in to inside the bottle. And finally, we use the pliers to cut the mouth of the bottle.
Đây thì bấm lại từ đầu. Đây bấm cho nó rộng toang hoa vậy.
time we completely separate the bottle and Bella. The owner of Bella is so happy and she really appreciates our help.
So, do you know that the habits of cats are finding the food because of their instinct, and they are really like the bottles. Especially the bottle have food inside, like Bella get the head inside the bottle. So if you're watching this video now, please be careful when you use the bottle of fish or other foods to make sure that you throw all the bottle to the garbage bin. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment and share this video. From now on, we are going to save and rescue more cats and kittens. Please follow and support us. We are Rescue Animals the Center. Thank you so much.